Hello dear students, today I am taking the topic, in this video I am taking the topic linear differential equation. This is the last part of the differential equation. Now the linear differential equation, the first form is dy by dx plus py equals to q, and the second form is dx by dy plus px equals to q. Now here p and q are constant or functions of x. Functions of x. What are the p and q here? It is either they are constant or they are function of x. Sin x, cos x, e power x, log x, or any constant 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. Now the solution of this differential equation is solution of the linear equation or linear differential equation is y dot if equals to if into q dx. So now naturally we want what is the meaning of if here. So if is e power integration of p dx. That is the meaning of if. I am explaining you this with the help of one problem. If you compare this problem with this, the value of p is 3 and the value of q is e power minus 2x. Now dear students, we calculate if. So if is e power 3 dx. So it is e power 3x. So that is the value of I. Now we are coming to the solution part. So it is y into e power 3x equals to e power 3x dot q. Q is e power minus 2x dx. So ultimately it is e power x dx, or the answer is e power x plus c. So that is the solution of the differential equation. Yes. So in this way we find the solution of the differential equation. This is the most easiest part. Only the thing is you have to identify the value of p and q, then if, and then mostly to integrate this type of part we need the concept of integration, and that is integration by parts. So before you start this part, the integration by parts, that concept must be clear to you all, because that will be used now and then in this type of sum. I am taking one more problem. See, in this problem, if you compare this with this, the value of p is 1 by x and the value of q is x square. Now we calculate if. So if is e power 1 upon x dx. So e power log x. And you know what is the meaning of e power log x? It is x. Now we solve it. So it is y dot 1 upon x, y into x, because if is x, this one, and integration of x into x square dx. So our answer is xy equals to x cube dx. So xy equals to x power 4 upon 4 plus c. So that is the solution of this differential equation. I hope you all understood that how to find the value of p and how to find the value of q, and then the important part, that is if, and then we can proceed for the next part. One more sum. Yes, see one more problem. If you compare this with dy by dx plus py equals to q, then the value of p is sec x and the value of q is tan x. Now as our methodology of linear equation, the linear differential equation, if is e power sec x dx. So answer is e power log sec x plus 10x. That is the integration of this part. So e power log sec x plus 10x, that will be sec x plus 10x. Now the solution is y into if equals to integration of if into q dx. This is the formula as I already explained you in the previous sums. So now we'll put all these values here. So it is y dot sec x plus 10x. And now the integration of if is sec x plus 10x into 10x dx. So that is the part. Now we will integrate this second part. So when you integrate this one, it is sec x 10x plus 10 square x dx. I am talking about this part. So now if you open it, the integration of this part will be sec x, and for this part we can write sec square x minus 1 dx. So it is sec x plus 10x minus x plus c. So the final answer of this problem is now y dot sec x plus 10x equal to sec x plus 10x minus x plus c. So you can see here, it is mostly this is the solution of this. It is mostly the integration part. Your concept of integration must be clear to solve these type of problems. I am taking some more problems from this now. Next problem. Yes, now you see the next problem and read the sum nicely. X log x dy by dx plus y equals to this. First of all, it is not given in that standard form. So first we convert this into the standard form. So divided by x log x, dy by dx plus y upon x log x equals to, it is 2 log x upon x and divided by x log x. So this log x and log x cancelled. The next step is dy by dx equals to y upon x log x equals to 2 upon x square. So if you compare it, the value of p is 1 upon x log x and the value of q is 2 upon x square. Now we calculate if. If is e power integration of 1 upon x log x dx. Now you see, if I take log x as t, then this will be 1 upon x, the derivative. Yes? So the integration of this part will be e power log x. Because log x we are taking t. It is not required to explain you. 1 upon x log x का integration होता है log x. So the final answer is log x now. Now we'll use the formula, and the formula is y into if integration of if into q dx. So y log x equals to, if is log x and 2 upon x square dx. Yes? Now as I told you in the beginning that in this particular type of sum we need the concept of integration by parts. So here we will apply the integration by parts taking log x as the first function and 2 upon x square as the second function. Please see this part now. This part will be as it is, and it is log x integration of 2 upon x square dx minus d by dx of log x and integration of 2 upon x square dx whole dx. So this part will be log x, integration of this will be minus 2 upon x. The integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x and 2 is there, so it will be 2. Minus d by dx of log x is x and the integration of this is minus 2 upon x dx. Please see this part nicely. I am not in hurry. I hope this part is clear to you. So the next part is minus 2 upon x log x plus 2 upon x square dx. So the final part is 2 upon x log x minus 2 upon x plus c. So that will be the answer, and here it is y log x. Okay. So in this way we can solve the problems of linear differential equations. I hope with all these problems now your concept is clear. Please do more and more sums. That's all about the linear equation. Do the practice of this is the important part for the examination. Thank you.